Rolling down South First. Let's see what kind of madness we deal with today.
Cruising down South First, just a regular day, approaching the intersection right past Faith. Heading down the block, keeping my line, thinking everything's smooth, everything's fine. Then right by Union, by the tavern light, some oblivious driver tries to ruin my night. Right near Muskies Bar, where the traffic flows, a total moron who just doesn't care where he goes. And this is why I have a care, to catch every moron who doesn't give a damn, pulling out without stopping, blind to the street. Lucky we didn't have a medal on metal mate. Yeah, this is why the helmet cam stays on, because in a split second you could be gone. Dude didn't stop, didn't even glance my way, just cut the wheel hard right outside the gateway, right in front of my face. A reckless display, forcing me to brake hard, clear out of the way. My heart's in my throat, adrenaline high, watching this clown just roll on by. He's lucky I kept my hands on the bar, lucky I didn't smack the mirror off his car.